Understanding the phrase, blacklist someone. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, where we make English learning easy and fun. Today, we're going to explore a very interesting phrase, blacklist someone. You might have heard it in movies, read it in books, or come across it in a business context. But what does it really mean? Let's dive in and decode this phrase together. To blacklist someone means to put their name on a list that says they cannot be trusted or are not acceptable. It's like saying, this person has done something we don't like, so we're going to make sure they can't work with us or access certain services or privileges. Originally, this term was used a lot in the employment sector. If someone was blacklisted, companies wouldn't hire them. But now, it's used in various situations like social groups, professional networks, and even online platforms. The term blacklist has a history that goes back centuries. It was often used when groups or authorities wanted to exclude or punish people who opposed them or broke certain rules. The word black, in this context, is associated with something negative or undesirable, while list refers to the actual record of names. Let's see how this phrase is used in real-life situations. 1. In the corporate world, if an employee violates company policy, they might be blacklisted, meaning they might find it hard to get jobs in the industry in the future. 2. In social networks, if someone behaves inappropriately in a club or group, they might be blacklisted, losing their membership or privileges. 3. Online platforms. Users who violate the terms of service on websites or online games might find themselves blacklisted, losing access to these services. When you use the phrase, blacklist someone, it's important to understand its serious tone. It's not just about not liking someone. It's about a formal decision to exclude them for specific reasons. Here's an example of how to use it in a sentence. Due to his dishonest actions, the company decided to blacklist him, ensuring he would not be considered for future projects. Understanding phrases like blacklist someone not only enriches your vocabulary but also gives you insight into the cultural and historical contexts of the English language. We hope this video helps you grasp the essence of the phrase and use it appropriately in your conversations. Keep learning, and remember, every phrase you learn opens up a new dimension of the language. See you in the next video.